Do we need to trust Fieldy AI in 2026? They say Fieldy AI is the new assistant that understands you better than anyone else. Just talk to it. Let it analyze your habits, and supposedly it can guide your productivity, your routines, and even your daily decisions. Sounds like the perfect personal AI for 2026, right? But the real question is, can we actually trust Fieldy AI, or is it just another AI tool that promises the world but delivers something far more ordinary? Over the last few months, Fieldy AI has gone viral on TikTok, YouTube, and tech forums. Some people say it feels more human, that it understands context better, gives smarter advice, and even analyzes your emotions. Others argue that it's overrated, inconsistent, or just a well-designed chatbot with nice wording. To figure out what's real and what's hype, we decided to dig deeper into how Fieldy AI works and whether it's worth trusting in 2026. According to its platform, Fieldy AI uses advanced models to study your patterns, what you type, when you type it, how long you work, when you take breaks, and even your tone or motivation level. With that, it builds a kind of personal profile and then gives you recommendations as if it really understands your daily life. It promises to improve your productivity, organize your tasks, and help you avoid the burnout we all experience these days. Impressive claims. Maybe a little too impressive. Because when an AI says it can read your habits with near-perfect accuracy, that's already a red flag worth examining. First thing we checked, yes. Fieldy AI is genuinely helpful in many situations. It reorganizes your schedule to reduce overload, suggests breaks when it detects repeated mistakes, and proposes realistic goals based on your workflow. It's not magic. It's predictive analysis, but it works well. The issue is that it's not as precise as it claims. Sometimes it makes assumptions, misinterprets your needs, or gives advice that simply doesn't match your situation. It's useful, but definitely not infallible. Another important detail is that Fieldy AI depends heavily on how much you tell it. It cannot guess your life. If you don't give it enough information about your projects, routines, or goals, it fills the gaps with general suggestions. This explains why some users think it's incredible. While others find it bland, it really depends on the input you give it. Now, the most concerning part, privacy. Fieldy AI collects information about your habits, your emotions, and your daily routines. And while it claims everything is encrypted, it's not clear what happens afterward. Is the data stored long-term? Is it used to train its models? Is it shared anonymously? The platform doesn't offer enough transparency. When an AI wants to guide your entire life but doesn't clearly explain how it handles your personal data, that's something you shouldn't ignore. We also looked at user experiences. Many say Fieldy AI helped them stay organized, break bad habits, or feel more in control of their schedule. Others say it often misreads situations, gives generic advice, or tries to create patterns that aren't actually there. Some users even felt that the AI exaggerated its emotional insight, making it seem smarter than it really is. As for design and performance, Fieldy AI does shine. It's smooth, fast, easy to use, and gives responses that generally feel warm rather than robotic. It's one of those apps that makes you want to keep interacting with it. But again, a great interface doesn't necessarily mean perfect intelligence or flawless decision-making. So, is Fieldy AI something you should trust in 2026? The answer is yes, just not blindly. It's a helpful tool for organization, planning, and self-reflection. It can guide you, support you, and help you stay consistent. But it shouldn't be treated as an authority, it shouldn't replace your judgment, and it definitely shouldn't receive all your personal information without you understanding the risks. If you're thinking about trying Fieldy AI, use it as a companion, not a decision maker. Let it assist you, not control you. And remember, no AI can understand your life better than you do. If this video helped you decide, make sure to like, comment, or share. It helps others stay informed, stay safe, and stay in control.